Hey everybody, Iowa Castaway here. Long time no see, but we are back on the water today. There has been a record amount of rain here in Iowa for the past month and a half. So the water levels have been high, fast, and murky. So not the best opportunities for fishing, but today I get to be on the float boat with my sister and brother-in-law from Driftless on the Fly. Very excited to be able to hit a smallmouth stream today with them. Also going to be trying out my new GoPro. Hopefully we'll be able to get some cool action shots and I'll have a good compilation to put together for all of you at home. We're going to be fishing two different rivers, one today, one tomorrow. So you'd think that we'd be able to find some content out of both of those spots. Fingers crossed. That one I was recording. This is a good sized one too. Jeez, okay. Quit dogging me. Oh, we did it, gang. We got one of these on the GoPro. It's good fish. Woo-hoo-hoo! I did turn the GoPro on right at that. Ah. Ooh, that is a fat one. Oh, cow. I mean, the tail's not that big on this guy, but he's a freaking football. Stop. Get out of here.
Dragonflies.
Bro, you're not that big. Calm down. God, stop. Stop. Stop.
I do have dragonflies.
We swapped out the raft for a float boat on day 2, but an unexpected rain front made fishing tough. We threw everything in the box to try and coax some bites. Poppers, emergers, streamers, minnows, but no luck. With the hot summer sun beating down on us, we decided to call it quits early, kicking on the motor all the way to our takeout point. It certainly wasn't the outcome we were looking for, but a day on the water with family beats any day in the office, even if you get skunked. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you